Gear Precision, your worm gearbox solution. With over 20 years of wide-range worm gear speed reducer manufacturing experience, Gear Precision is recognized as a premier product for extremely reliable, high performance and heavy-duty power transmission under different working environments. Besides standard and conventional models, our team of technical engineers are able to customize unique engineering solutions on demand. Our production facility located in Dongguan City, China, fully equipped with high-precision machineries. All components are precisely tested and recorded within parameter before next process. ISO 9001 certification proven our processes and system methodologies for approaching design, procurement, production, inspection and continuous improvement. Robotic automation elevated production to another level. High precision, high efficiency, shortened lead time. Precision to every components are vital to our worm gear box. We ensure they are made within extreme tolerance. Our marketing team and after-service unit are highly responsive to any inquiry and problem customer may encounter. We would love to hear from you. Contact us to find out more.